Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. You will be seeing this video on Monday, April 27th, 2026, episode of Monday Makes. Welcome my subscribers. I appreciate it, both new and returning, coming back and watching my videos, leaving comments. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I drop a video or I do a live. Sometimes on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. I will do a live. So today's, as I said, video will be Monday Makes. What did I make last week? So I do have some finished projects, yes. So I'm happy to show you what I've done. If you watched my shawl swap video, you know I was involved, well, I participated in the spring shawl swap. I was partnered up with Jana Kay, and I made her shawl. This is my shawl that was made by Amy from Amy Loves Crochet, and I will link the channels below. Hopefully you've gone and checked out we were 6 participants in the shawl swap. So I made Jana Kay the Tendril shawl by Carmen Heffernan, and I really loved that shawl. I made hers in a beautiful yarn from France. And I said, I really wanted one for myself. But, you know, I had this yarn that I purchased when a local yarn shop was closing last December. And this is Barocco Spree. It's a highly variegated yarn. And I had tried to work this up on several different projects and, you know, frogged it. Started something else, frogged it, because it's highly variegated, very pretty, but I didn't know, you know, what I was going to do with this, and I got it for a very good deal. So I said, let me see how that would work in the Tendril shawl. And I have to say, now this is a wool and cotton blend, so you know, just something light and airy that you could throw on with a jean jacket, nothing fancy. So I made a Tendril shawl for myself, and I have to say, now Jana Kay's was made in a beautiful rose color, lovely yarn, solid, and I said I want to see how this shawl will work up with a variegated something. You know, I think it came out lovely, and yeah, so very pretty. I did not do the fancy border as I did on Jana's, because I didn't think this yarn, you wouldn't even see it, to be honest with you. You just see the, you know, the serrated edge kind of here on the asymmetrical shawl. And it's just the perfect shawl, if you could see the colors, that will go with so many different tops. You can just throw it on with, you know, a solid shirt and a jean jacket, and you're good to go. So, yeah. So that's what I did with that yarn. And yeah, I so enjoyed this, working up this shawl. It's great. It's beautiful. It can be fancy, or it could just be, you know, just something you throw on when you just need a little something around your neck, your shoulder, whatever, to keep a little chill off. So yeah, and I think this yarn was perfect for that. So I was happy I got to use it. What else did I finish this week? Knitting. I finished my second knitting project. So my first project was, oh, here it is. This is the Finally Fall shawl pattern by Fiberflux, and Lynanne from Nina's Knots and Crochet and Lynette from Charmed Grammy are doing this as a crochet along. And I started working this up, and I may have shown this already, but this was my first knitted project that I finished. Granted, I did not make it shawl size. I made a kerchief. But, you know, I was proud I got it done. This is in Hobby Lobby's, oh, that beautiful cotton. I know I have more of it, but I don't know where I put it. Sugar wheel cotton. Yeah, and the color I think was Harbor something. Very beautiful yarn. But So this was my first knitted project. I turned that shawl into a kerchief, something to wear on vacation. I'm looking forward to vacation. And I also finished my Italian summer shawl. It's not a shawl. Italian summer scarf. This is definitely not a shawl. So yeah, I finally finished it. This is my second, and I would say this is the first completed project because I did make it the whole project, the whole pattern. This was, I did it with the Kramer yarn, natural skeins. This is bare yarn, superwash, and nylon DK weight. So just a natural color, kind of, what would you say, a classic. So yeah, so this was knitted and just very simple with the eyelets, you know, the open lace work and a I-cord edging, and it's finished. I have not blocked this yet, so you know, it was very nasty here, so I haven't blocked anything that I've made. I also need to block my Tendril shawl so it opens up and gets a little bit airier, but again, another project that needs to be blocked. But, you know, I won't be wearing these probably till the fall, so I have plenty of time. So, yeah, another knit project. I have to decide what I'm going to put on my needles for my third project. And I'm looking forward to that because I really enjoyed having that little project that I can bring with me and work on because I'm trying to hone my beginner knitting skills because I'm a beginner, really beginner. But I'm proud that I got this done. Yeah, and I'm learning along the way. Lifelines and yarn overs and all that good stuff. Yeah, 3 togethers. Oh, those are a joy. So what else did I finish this week? You did see my VStitch sweater top, another transitional make. This I made with the Bag O' Day. The color is Almond Blossoms after the Van Gogh painting. It's absolutely beautiful, and I did wear this week because we went from 87 to 50. It was chilly, so you needed a little something, but you still wanted to have that spring vibe, and this is perfect. It's a perfect transitional piece for, you know, cool summer nights and spring going into fall. And I'm loving this. So any of these projects that I've talked about, I will link the patterns and the tutorials below, if there is one, and there is for each of these 3 makes. So that's pretty much it. I did finish my Bod Hatapalooza. I will show that tomorrow is Tuesday. I also did visit another. We did visit another local yarn store. I didn't do a lot of shopping. I did purchase one item, and I will show that also tomorrow. And yeah, because although you're seeing this on Monday, the weekend's not over. So yeah, local yarn shopping, local yarn store, local yarn shop. Local yarn shopping is still, the wool walk is still on for one more day. So I hope you enjoyed my few makes that I finished last week. And thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next one. Bye now.